And the potential for flooding this weekend isn't bothering some businesses who were impacted by near historic flooding just last week. Part of South Boston was underwater for 2 days, and the water damaged several businesses. And according to the National Weather Service, the Dan River is expected to crest at about 23.5 feet tomorrow in South Boston. That's above what's called minor flood stage, but about 7 feet lower than where the river crested last week. So that's good news. One business owner that we spoke to says more flooding would be tough.
It would be devastating because we'd have to move out again. This time the flood that they're talking about having is just out of the river banks. It's no major flooding.
He says the river usually does not start getting over the road and threatening businesses until it gets to about 25 feet.